The sports sedan now has a mighty plug-in hybrid powertrain and an EPA-estimated electric range of 42 miles. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG E53 sedan starts at $89,150, which is $6,700 more than its predecessor. The E53's higher spec exclusive and pinnacle trims start at $91,600 and $93,300, respectively. The sports sedan has a new plug-in hybrid Turbo 06 powertrain with up to 604 horsepower and an EPA-rated driving range of 42 miles. Mercedes has released pricing for the AMG version of its redesigned E-Class sedan. After skipping the 2024 model year while the Benz-branded lineup transitioned to the new W214 generation, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG E53 returns with a plug-in hybrid powertrain and $89,150 starting price, $6,700 more expensive than its predecessor. E53 price, features, and extras. Along with inheriting all the upgrades from the new E-Class, the E53 comes standard with a specially tuned 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, an AMG-specific adaptive suspension, and rear-wheel steering. Other desirable standard features include an illuminated grille, a 14.4-inch touchscreen running the latest MBUX infotainment system, and a panoramic sunroof. The E53's higher spec trim levels cost more but obviously have more content. Starting at $91,600, the exclusive model adds enhanced headlights, more dynamic ambient interior lighting, a 4D Burmester sound system, and glass that's better insulated from outside heat and noise. As its name suggests, the pinnacle is the top-of-the-line trim, and it adds a head-up display, 4-zone climate control, and an MBUX AI voice assistant. Its exterior lights also make neat projections. We got the 411 on the 2025 Mercedes-AMG E53 when it was revealed earlier this year. It features a plug-in hybrid powertrain that pairs an electric motor with a turbocharged 3.0-litre straight-six. While the system's combined output is 577 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, its peak horsepower rises to 604 in race start mode, which is included with the AMG Dynamic Plus package. The latter includes upgraded front brakes with larger 15.4-inch composite rotors, adaptive engine mounts, an electronic limited slip diff, and a top speed limit that rises from 155 to 174 miles per hour. The dynamic package also lowers its claimed 0 to 60 mph time from 3.9 to 3.7 seconds. Mercedes says the new AMG E53 should reach dealerships any day now. It also has EPA estimates that include a combined 59 mph rating and an all-electric driving range of 42 miles.